You can store this in the refrigerator up to 4 days. It tastes just as good on day 4 as it does on day 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Laurice. Want to thank you for all your support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my pineapple ginger water that not only keep you hydrated right through the day and night, but also detox your body for extreme weight loss. Let's jump right into this video. So to begin, I'm going to use this very mild, all natural dishwashing liquid with some warm water that I already catch in that bowl. I have my ginger, so I'm just going to wash those, and I have my fruits and vegetable brush. I'm washing these because I want to use the entire ginger. I want to use the skin. There's a lot of nutrients right beneath the skin, and I don't want to lose any. So I'm just going to wash it so I can use the entire ginger, skin and all. So I'm just rinsing it now with the water, and I'm using this much ginger because I'm using 2 set of pineapple skin. So if you're using one, you just need one of that. Or if you need it stronger or not, you know, just depends on the taste you're going for. So I have my pineapple, and I'm just going to go in again and just wash them with the brush because I'm going to be boiling these. And so I want to take off all the germs, or as much as I can get off as possible. You know, we're living in serious time, and we have to be careful of how we clean our fruits and vegetables before we use them. And I find that warm soapy water helps a lot. To make your pineapple ginger water, you want to use fresh ginger. If you're unable to find fresh ginger in your area, there are a lot of artificial ginger flavor, and I wouldn't recommend it. There's also ginger powder, which would be my second option. Fortunately for me, I never have to use it because I can always find ginger at my local Walmart. So you always want to use your product, the fresher, the better. Some health benefits of ginger are to regulate stress hormones, increased and more regular bowel movement, increase energy, decrease the risk of heart disease, improve memory and brain function, and improve your immune system function. Ginger is known to suppress your appetite. Fresh ginger is known to speed up your metabolism and help in weight loss. Ginger have anti-inflammatory features. Ginger is very filling, so by consuming more ginger, you're likely to feel full longer. Ginger also speed up your digestion. It stabilizes your blood sugar level, which is all essential for losing weight. And my favorite thing about ginger is ginger helps to reduce belly fat. So if you're looking to reduce belly fat, you want to consume more ginger. I have 2 gallons of water boiling on the stove top. I'm going to go ahead and add my sliced ginger to that and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my pineapple skin to add to this mixture in a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the top of my pineapple off. I'm going to put that to the side. So I look like I need to take some more off. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut another slice. I'm going to set that aside because I'm going to cut that up and use it to make the water. So this is what I'm going to be working with. And I have my pineapple slicer here. It's a gift from my supervisor. Thank you, Nancy. It's been great. I've using a lot more pineapple since I get this because I didn't like peeling pineapple, and as a result I wasn't using pineapple half enough. But with this little bad boy, I'm able to just you eat pineapples just about every other day, because it's just so easy to have these simple little steps and it works. So I'm going to go ahead, and I don't know why I'm detaching that, because I didn't need to detach that. I guess I'm just too excited. It's not my first time using it. I use it about 7 or 8 times already since I get it. So I'm just going to go in, and basically all you're doing is going around in a circular motion. You're not supposed to be moving the pineapple. You're supposed to be moving the pineapple slicer, but I'm a little awkward with my left hand, I guess, just the way I'm standing. So this works better. But basically all you're doing is you're pushing that down, and you're going in a circular motion, and you're doing that all the way to the bottom of your pineapple. And as you can see, this is a very juicy pineapple, because it's just taking a lot of the juice. But hey, let's get back to the main reason why you're here. Let's jump into the benefit of the pineapple. But look at how easy that is coming out. I just have to brag about this a little bit. Bear with me. I'm going to jump right into the benefit of the pineapple here. But just look at this. I want you to see how easy I'm able to detach that. It's just a lot of juice, and just give me 1 second. Look at this. I know you're probably thinking, I need the benefit, but look how easy that is. Just that simple. Pineapples are low in calories, and when you consume food that are low in calories, you don't have to worry about gaining weight, because you can eat a lot, feel full longer, and not having a lot of calories. Pineapples are also low in carbs, and because it's generally sweet, it helps to curb your sugar craving. So if you're craving something sweet, opt for some pineapple instead of that chocolate, and 9 out of 10 it will satisfy that craving. Pineapple helps to break down protein and aid in digestion and nutrition absorption. Proper digestion helps to reduce bloating and help to lose weight. Pineapple is also a high source of fiber, which help you to stay full longer, so you won't keep snacking. It curbs your appetite. This pineapple ginger water can be drink as a hot drink, or you can chill it and drink it over ice. I generally have a hot cup once I make it, but after that I'll just chill it in the refrigerator and have a cup full before each meal. My ginger was boiling for a little over 5 minutes, and that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and add the pineapple skin right now. This is how much pineapple skin I get from 2 pineapple. And as you can see, the water immediately stopped boiling. So I'm going to allow it to boil back up again. Then I'm just going to turn that off and set it to the side and let it cool. This probably take 2-3 hours to cool. So once it's done, I'm going to come back and strain it, and then it will be ready to go in the refrigerator. This is it. The blue container is a little over half. I'm going to store this in the refrigerator for cooling. You can drink this up to 4 days. I've had it on day 4, and it tastes just as delicious as day 1. Let me know in the comment box if you're going to try this, if this is something you're interested in trying. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscription button. Turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. That's how I make my pineapple ginger water for detox and weight loss. Thanks for watching. Have a good week. Bye.